Welcome back again to African A to Z Library, where we bring you different styles, stories, insights, and food on Africa, about Africa. So today we bring you these twist braids. This is micro twist braid. Micro twist braids are a kind of braids that are made to be very tiny. This hairstyle is not protective for your hair. As you can see in this video, she's already losing her hairlines. That is one disadvantage of micro twist braids. It also has its own advantage, as we all know that everything with a disadvantage has advantage. The advantage of this micro twist braid one is that it can last for a long time. Who wants to have me to sell on her hair? No, anyway. Another advantage is these twist braids are so fine when you look at them after making them. But I feel it has more disadvantage, as it will make you to lose your hairlines. In fact, it can come to the point where your hair will be so scanty, almost bald. So I do suggest for people, instead of wasting your time and losing your hairstyle, your natural hair, it is better to go for a safer style. This style, even when it is made on natural virgin hair, virgin hair is a hair that has not been relaxed. It has no chemical has been applied on it to smoothen or soften the hair. Even on virgin hair, people still lose their hairlines with micro twist braids. This is the truth about this African micro twist braid. It's so fine. It makes you look unique. It can last for as long as you want it, or you are willing to carry it on. But be mindful of your hair. If you are mindful of your hair, don't go for this. Even if your hair is virgin, forget about this micro braid. Just add, you can go for this size of the braid, although I am not assuring you of the safety or protectiveness of your hair in this one, but it's a bit fairer when it comes to protecting your hairlines. Another thing is, even when it is knotless, you still lose your hairline. But be careful. Even if you want to take the risk, do not allow the braider to knot the hair. That is completely damage, or a complete damage to your hair. So you can see how cute it is. Even if you want to go for it, I would suggest that you either increase the size a bit. It will not be that tiny, or you save your money, save your time, and go for a simpler hairstyle, or you just go for this hair wig where you don't need to sit down like this and waste your time making this hair that you still waste your time to lose. I wonder who is gonna lose that tiny hair. Just go for this wig. This wig is better for you. You put it on whenever you want, and you remove it whenever you are tired of it. It will stay as long as that Methuselah you want. Yes, while you are still free cruising different styles of hair.